go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir perform in all the Christmas.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I'm so excited to share our tree cutting experience this year with all of you. If you are new and haven't seen part 1 of this Christmas Clean and Decorate series that I posted on Tuesday, I will link it down below. My name is Leah and I live with my husband Alex and our 6 dogs in an RV full time. This year we headed up to the Colville National Forest to cut down our tree. We just had to pick up a permit online that was $5, and I think there was a $2.50 service fee. But this year we're getting 2 trees because we want to do a tree outside in our gazebo. So on our way up, we did drop off my niece. Unfortunately, she wasn't able to come with us, but I'm sure you'll be seeing her more in the future. If you like this type of content and you're being pulled toward that subscribe button, please just hit it. And while you're there, smash that like button. Thank you so much for watching, and pour yourself a cup of something warm and just enjoy.
Let's take a walk, and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday, it's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da. Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you.
The pups were having the best time out here, and it was beautiful, and my husband forgot his jacket and he was freezing. But we did end up snagging this kind of tall and skinny tree that wasn't the fullest, but it's okay because out in our gazebo we really don't have a ton of room width-wise, and we want to put a train around it, so it kind of is going to work out okay. We did discover, as you'll see here, another area that we found much fuller trees and snagged our second one.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
So we actually got super lost out here in the forest because it's so big, and it's also kind of intertwined with private land, but we did stumble upon this beautiful lake where the dogs were able to take a quick little dip. But as you can see, we are losing daylight and had to get to our next spot so we could get that second tree. It is a pretty long drive from home, so we didn't have much time left. Okay, well, that was embarrassing twice, but my husband did want to show off his little saw here. I guess I got it for him a few years ago, but it fits in your pocket, folds up, and it's really easy to take with you if you were to go out into the forest because it's not very heavy and it's really compact. It does take a little bit of time to cut it down, but it's really sharp, so it works really well. I have no idea where I got it, but knowing me, I probably got it on Amazon.
Why don't we make your Christmas my Christmas, our Christmas? Girl, why don't we now? Why don't we now? Don't you think that the holidays should be all about love? Mulled wine by the fireplace with the one you're dreaming of. Why don't we make your Christmas?
By the way, if you have never gone to cut down a tree yourself and you do like to get a fresh tree, I highly recommend it. We just had the best time, and if you have dogs, they will absolutely love you. After this, they came home and crashed and did not get up until morning.
Why don't we? Why
can only hope that Santa Claus and my records agree. Then maybe this year Santa's coming home to me. I have found the perfect tree and dressed it to the nines. I've even made little gingerbread Santas. There's nothing left to chance. This year, Santa's coming home to me. Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling.
So like I mentioned in the last video, I actually didn't decorate last year much at all. So we only found one strand of our favorite lights we got from Costco about 5 or 6 years ago. And I put that on the tree and then realized we couldn't find the rest of them. So we went on a hunt to find the rest of these lights. And unfortunately, we did not find them until after we had already put a whole bunch of white lights on. And you're going to see later on, right before we decorate the tree, that we did find them in with the ornaments. Unfortunately, we had already put all the lights on, so we decided this year we were just going to do white lights. And if anything, we got to go through a lot of boxes.
Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, where the snow would fall and the air was crisp and cold, where we heard of angels up on high while building Frosty the Snowman until
Thank you all again so much for watching. Your support means everything to us. We hope you have a really magical holiday, and I hope you will take a moment to introduce yourself down in the comments, because I would love to get to know you. Stay tuned for part 3 as we're going to be decorating outside along with under our gazebo. I can't wait to show you. So much love. Bye.